farming just got an upgrade from the sky. At Agritechnica 2025, DJI Agriculture introduced 3 new drones designed to make precision farming faster, smarter, and greener. The Agras T100 can carry up to 100 liters for spraying. The T70P offers multi-crop flexibility with upgraded obstacle detection, and the compact T25P makes solo operations easier than ever. DJI says these drones mark a new era in agricultural automation, equipped with advanced radar, LiDAR, and vision systems to operate safely and autonomously, even in rugged terrain. Head of Global Sales Yuan Zhong noted that demand across Europe is booming, with farmers using drones to protect crops from vineyards to banana fields. DJI also announced expanded training programs through its academy to help more operators master smart farming tech. From data-driven spraying to fully automated mapping, the future of agriculture is taking flight.